to our post-game press conference. We have Majoy Paron, Coach Robert Capon, and Saki Davison of the PLDT High-Speed Hitters who won in straight sets against the Akari Chargers. Coach, congratulations on this win. A good win to start 2025. Ano lang masabi mo sa naging performance?
Happy sa naging result. Nilook forward talaga namin yung game today. Ingat na ingat. Happy sa ginalaw nila. Yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. And for Majoy, ito nga, nilook forward yung atong game na tapos ngayon na ako pa yung best player of the game against Akari. Ito lang siguro yung naging motivation mo heading into this match to have the team win.
Me personally, nag-enjoy lang ako kasi parang na-excited na ako since first game of the year. And ang tagal din ng break, so parang mas excited and well-prepared talaga kami.
Thank you, Majoy. First, Abby, when PLDT faced Akari before you weren't part of that game, but now you're here, how does it feel to be able to help the team get this win against?
That's all I wanted to do was help the team, like you said. Whatever I could give, in any way possible. I know it was difficult for us to get through that last year, but coming back strong and taking them in 3 really meant a lot to us.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yun nga bilang yung last year na pag-aarap nyo ng semis, paano nyo lang kinip yung focus ng players nyo na focus lang na sa game ngayon, hindi na isipin yung last year?
Basta naging advice sa amin, tinanong kami kanina kung ano yung feeling ng players kung may dagdag motivation ba or wala. Ang niremed lang sa kanila, kung ano man yung extra na yun, make sure lang na yung focus hindi mo mawawala. So, mas doon talaga nakatuon yung improvement namin sa ngayon. Task at hand na yung game na
For Majoy, for the players part naman, how much of that game na last year was in your mind pa rin talaga entering this year?
Ako personally, hindi ko naman dinadala yung kung ano yung nangyari last year. Kasi iba naman yung composition ng team namin ngayon and we're just focused nga dun sa task and we treat each game na same lang. Level lang din yung emotion kasi gusto namin talaga focus lang kami and magagawa namin yung job namin sa loob ng court.
Sabi, before last year ended, you talked about enjoying being part of rivalries and having a chip on your shoulder during this game. So I guess how does it all feel that, I guess that chip on your shoulder against them is gone and you had a convincing victory this year?
I think the most important part is winning our first game of 2025, let alone the rivalry. It's good, to have one more in our win bracket and just going into this year, just, starting on a high note.
Coach, of course, kumbaga hindi naman naging lahat maganda ng mga experiences last year, especially against Akari. But would you say na parang there were positive things or may growth na doon nagmula dun sa experience na yun na naging better po yung PLDT this time around?
Siguro, naging basis namin siya nung kung ano man yung naging level namin last conference. So parang mas tinignan namin siya as kailangan namin i-level up pa kasi hanggang doon lang kami umabot last conference. So hindi naman siya negative all throughout. Pero yun nga, mas tinignan namin siya as natutulungan kaming mas gumaling lalo dahil sa level na nare-require sa amin. And yun yung dinadala ni Akari din all throughout. Nag-improve every conference, saka nakakadamay kasi yung ganun dahil umaangat yung level ng mga teams, kailangan sumabay ka nila.
Yeah, Coach, gano'n ka gandang at least nakabuelo kayo kasi yung mga susunod niyo yata, yung schedule niyo medyo dikit, tapos medyo yung malalaking teams na makalaban doon.
Yun lang ulit, katulad ng mga previous wins namin na at least makaka-prepare kami na may good momentum, positive momentum. Yun yung challenge ng conference, yung ma-manage namin yung schedule, yung rest, saka yung preparation for the next game. Enough naman yung araw. Sadyang kailangan na namin mag-move on regardless kung ano yung result para makafocus agad kami sa next game.
For Majoy and Coach, ngayon po siguro we can put that game that match behind. Ano lang siguro yung biggest takeaway din sa lahat po na nangyari from that match to today, sa lahat ng nangyari in between yung struggles? Ano yung pinaka-important lesson that you take away from that entire experience?
For me, ano lang, kung ano lang yung nangyayari as of the moment, doon lang kami magpo-focus. And wala dapat baggage na hindi makakatulong sa nangyayari sa present.
Same question.
Gano'n lang din. Kung ano yung task na at hand, doon lang mag-focus.
Coach, first game back ko ni Nazareno, just your thoughts dun sa naging ano nyo para sa kanya na nag-adjust kayo dun sa bagong
Justin.
adjust.
Mabigat yung lineup pag kompleto sila. Nagkataon lang talaga din kanina na nadagdag nga si Justin. Si Gretch naman yung hindi present dun. Pero definitely, ikaka-improve nila yung lalo na bumalik na siya.
Coach, yung next game nyo will be against Choco Mucho. Nakagaling lang din nila from a 5-set win. So ano lang yung magiging mindset nyo na yung that game?
Mindset, bagong task, bagong paghahandaan, bagong homework, saka bagong i-focus natin. Yun nga, kailangan ma-manage namin yung days with rest saka preparation. Pero at least nga katulad nung nabanggit kanina, medyo may good momentum kami coming from home.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Sabi. Thank you, Major. Congrats on the win.
Yes.